Hello. I am a student at Harmony Science Academy Houston High. The project I worked on, the animated Tiger Bot, was a combination of science, engineering, mathematics, and especially art. We used Blender, an animating software, to create a low-poly tiger. For the project's math component, we researched different components of algebraic and geometric lessons. For example, Blender used a lot of axes and grid degrees to help the program create the 3D tiger. We used our previous knowledge of, and experience with, algebra to help us understand and navigate the software. The science component includes the actual work behind the software and the steps taken to achieve the final goal. We had to have a basic understanding of different scientific tools to figure out which part of the software was affecting which part of the design. For our English component, we composed a paper discussing our journey through the year in the PBL. We discussed the brainstorming and experimentation, along with the obstacles we faced. This written component shows how patience is needed for any project. Our social studies component discusses the history before animation. Flipbooks, for example, were some of the first motion picture productions. The thaumatrope is another pre-software animation example. This project has given us a look into the world behind the screen and the work that goes into creating an animated piece, whether it be one figure or a whole movie. Thanks.